Hello, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and if you're ready for the challenge, today, by request, we're going to tackle a true musical masterpiece.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Let's come to the piano to get started. So take your right hand finger too, and on your own piano find G. G is right here inside the three black keys. Find G, and you're going to play one G on every word. Who let the dogs out? Now you try. Now, let's do it at full tempo. Who let the dogs out? Now you try. Good. Then you or an obliging friend can go, who let the dogs out? And that leads into the next one, which once again, you play each word on G. Now you try. Then once again, we have who let the dogs out? Then a third time, we play who let the dogs out? Every note on G. Now you try. And then another round of who let the dogs out? And then once again on G, each word playing a G. Now you try. Now let's put it all together and try it. Get ready, play along with me, and sing. Don't forget to sing. Makes it more fun. Ready, go. Who let the dogs out? 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 Now, if that was a little bit hard, take your time. You can slow it down. Practice, repeat as many times as you need so you too can master this. And don't forget your great piano posture. Who let the dogs out? And then float the wrist up to maintain a good, relaxed posture. Who let the dogs out? Float up. I hope you enjoyed learning.
Who let the dogs out?
Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing.
Hey, did you know my dog is a genius?
Really? How do you know?
I asked her, what is 2 minus 2? And she said, nothing.
Yeah, well, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting dog.
Interrupting dog.
Woof, woof.
Doggone it.